Ate, pumasok ka muna daw, sabi ni principal.
James, dito ka lang ha. Huwag ka malikot.
Sige ate, ako muna bahala kay James.
Tito Mike, may nagawa ba akong mali?
Hindi naman siguro. Misunderstanding lang.
Sabi kasi sa sulat, compromised home environment.
Miss Rocky, do you know what this means?
Ibig sabihin, may problema po sa bahay.
It's not that simple, Miss Rocky. It means that we are worried that there is something unethical happening. And here at our school, we care about the well-being of our students, physically and emotionally.
Ay, with all due respect, principal ha. Ano ho bang meron?
I'm sure you are aware that we recently just started our class. James looks promising. And he had very interesting answers. In his father's name, he wrote 3 names.
Eh, bakit yun naman ho gagawin yun?
Kaya nandito tayo para alamin. Wild Rocky.
Paano mo naman nalaman ang pangalan na yan?
Oh, we go way back. Ang bilis mo naman atang makalimut.
Mary Maldita?
They don't even know what it is. They're in the pride of their lifetime. Control this. Yeah, but you gotta have a real thing.
You're gonna have a really, really good time, sir.
Paano ka naging principal?
A story for another time. I want to know who his 3 fathers are.
Oh James! Teka lang!
Ma'am, ako lang po magpapaliwanag.
Eavesdropping? Not a good sign.
Si Tito Gab. Leader siya sa church namin at tinuturuan niya ako ng tama at mali.
Tandaan mo, James, lagi mong kasama si Lord. Kaya magpakabuti ka ha.
Si Tito Rick. Siya yung kapitbahay namin na musikero at tinuturo niya ako ilabas yung talento ko.
Basta James, tandaan mo to. Hindi mo pinili ang musika. Musika ang pumili sa'yo.
Si Kuya Jack naman yung kalaro ko. Tinuturo niya ako kung paano lumaban.
Huwag ka susuko, James! Kaya pa to late game! Get good!
At marami pa po sila tumayong tatay ko. Pati si Tito Mike at si Mami Rocky.
I see. So that's how it is. Pero anong relasyon nila sa mami mo?
Kaibigan lang po. Si Mami kasi, nihintay pa din ang tunay kong tatay.
James, tell me, what's your definition of father?
Someone who guide me to become a better man.
You raised a good child, Miss Rocky.
Hindi lang ako. Lahat kami.
Ayun, sakto yung order ko, dumating na!
Oh, Mike, alam mo talaga yung gusto ko.
James!
Oh! Andito pala kayo?
Hi, Rocky!
Yes, pinatawag ko sila, but everything is clear na, right, James?
Siguro hatid ko na si James sa classroom. Tara, James.
Sige, Mike.
Sige po, ma'am. See you po later, miss.
See you later.
Hoy, ingat
Ate na
kayo ha.
Okay.
Mary Maldita, parang ako may naa-amaze sa iyo ah.
Ano ba, Wild Rocky, pabango ko lang yan. But hey, I think we need to catch up.
Ngayon na?
Why not? Tara sa loob. Madami akong itatanong sa'yo. Like, nasan si Daz?
May kape ka naman siguro dyan, no? Kasi mahaba-haba to.
Yes, I have enough coffee para mag-time travel. Tara sa loob.
I've been out there on the open road, a million miles and I haven't slowed. I'm burning rubber, racing the thunder. Worn out suitcase and an old guitar, restless mind, I've got a rebel heart, call me a runner. Sometimes I wonder if I'll ever make it back to where I've been. I know my mama always said that if you lean on the ones that you love, you will find your way home. And even with a soul that's been out on the run, you will find your way